We did hit a hat 1-of-1 logo in the first two. That was about it, I think. I think that was about the only thing we hit the first two. Yes, limited is after this. Limited is after this. NT football, guys. Good luck. NT football. Good luck, guys. NT football. First one out of 925. Kyle Long for the Bears. That was a Met. Kyle Long for the Bears out of 25. Kyle Long. Chicago Bears out of 25. The next one's pretty good too. Out of 99, Larry Fitzgerald. Cardinals. Arizona Cardinals. Larry Fitzgerald. Arizona Cardinals. Got a got a three-colored rookie auto patch out of 49. Out of 49, three-colored rookie auto patch. Three-colored rookie auto patch. Guy named Zach Stacy for the Rams. Good hit for the Rams. Zach Stacy for the Rams out of 49. Zach Stacy for the Rams. Zach Stacy. Then we got a quad jerseys out of 99. Quad jerseys. 99. Quad jerseys, 99. For the Ravens, you've got Joe Flacco, Ray Rice, Jacoby Jones, and Torrey Smith. Joe Flacco, Ray Rice, Jacoby Jones, Torrey Smith, 99. Dual jerseys, going to go to the Arizona Cardinals out of 99. You got Tyrann Mathieu, Andre Ellington. Tyrann Mathieu, Andre Ellington, Arizona Cardinals. Oh, that's pretty sick, too. Got out of 50. Out of 50, you're going to go to the Philadelphia Eagles, Chuck Bednarik. Chuck Bednarik. The Eagles. Chuck Bednarik. Eagles. We got a sweet logo. This one out of 25. Out of 25. Out of 25. Matt Elam for the Ravens. Look at that patch in there. Matt Elam. Ravens. Matt Elam. Good to zoom in. Matt Elam for the Ravens. There we go. Look at that. For that Ravens shield. Out of 25, Matt Elam for the Ravens. Got out of 49. It's been a pretty good box. Out of 49. Got his jersey number 2, I believe. Raiders, Bryce Butler. Bryce Butler for the Raiders. Wednesday. Then we got out of 10, numbered 5 of 10. Numbered 5 of 10. The Who Dat Nation, Drew Brees. Auto jersey out of 10. Drew Brees for the Saints. Drew Brees for the Saints out of 10. Drew Brees for the Saints. Pretty good box. Got dual relic with the 2-colored patch, 25. Vance McDonald, 49ers. Vance McDonald, the 49ers. Vance McDonald. And I'd be outdone right behind it. Dual relic out of 25 again with a 3-colored patch. Another Saint, Kenny Stills. So Kenny Stills for the Saints and Drew Brees for the Saints. Same pack. Kenny Stills for the Saints at 25. Good way to start some NT football. Box number 2. Box number 2. NT football, box 2. Box 2, NT football. NT football. Look, guys, NT football, box number 2. Got out of 10. Got Troy Aikman, the Cowboys. Troy Aikman, legendary out of 10. Troy Aikman, legends out of 10. Troy Aikman, legends out of 10. Got out of 99, Bengals, Andy Dalton. Andy Dalton for the Bengals out of 99. Andy Dalton. Next one's pretty good too, but it's a redemption for a prime jersey number signature, card number 3. Colts, Andrew Luck, NT Colossal prime jersey numbers. Andrew Luck for the Colts. Andrew Luck for the Colts. Got out of 25, a timeline jersey. Out of 25, timeline. Eagles, LaShawn McCoy. Eagles, LaShawn McCoy for the Eagles. Got a quad relic out of 99. Quad relic, 99. Niall Davis, the Chiefs. Niall Davis for the Chiefs. We got a 1/1 plate. Got a 3-colored rookie 1/1 patch plate. Got a Arizona Cardinals, Jonathan Cooper. Jonathan Cooper, 3-colored plate. Jonathan Cooper for the Cards. Arizona Cardinals, Jonathan Cooper. Got a rookie auto out of 49. Rookie auto, 49. Titans, Chance Warmack. Chance Warmack for the Titans. Chance Warmack. Good, I'm glad. Got it out of 99 for the Bengals, rookie auto jersey, Marcus Hunt. It's the first luck we pulled in. I think this finishes our 5th case. Bengals, Marcus Hunt. Got another redemption. Oh, that's a good box, too. Redemption. Got a rookie colossal jersey number 14, Jordan Reed. Jordan Reed. You guys are going to be happy with the next one, too. Jordan Reed. NT rookie colossal jersey number. Jordan Reed for the Redskins. Next one is out of 25. 2-colored rookie patch auto. 25. Packers. Eddie Lacy. That was a pretty good case overall. Packers. Eddie Lacy. We'll go out of 25. Zoom in, please. Eddie Lacy for the pack. 2-colored out of 25. Eddie Lacy. That's our first Eddie Lacy auto we hit, too. Not a bad one. Out of 25. Eddie Lacy for the pack. Finishing 2 boxes. NT Football.